Good morning, guys. I am Angelie V Bacalso, and I will be the first to discuss the important subjects within the thesis of Paul R. Kroger entitled Phrase Structure and Grammatical Relations in Tagalog. First, let me introduce to you who is Paul R. Kroger. Paul R. Kroger is a linguist who has made significant contributions to the field of linguistics, particularly in the study of syntax and grammatical relations. He has conducted research on various languages, including Tagalog, and has authored several publications on topics related to syntax, linguistic theory, and language documentation. His work often involves the application of theoretical frameworks such as lexical functional grammar to analyze and understand the structure of different languages. The important subjects in the thesis Phrase Structure and Grammatical Relations in Tagalog by Paul R. Kroger. There are 5 important subjects in the thesis of Paul R. Kroger. First is the non-configurational nature of Tagalog. The thesis discusses how Tagalog, a non-configurational language, does not have a unique structural position for grammatical subject. And that will be our topic of discussion for today, the first topic of discussion. And let's proceed here. Non-configurational nature of Tagalog. Tagalog is a non-configurational language that does not have a unique structural position for the grammatical subject, which means Tagalog language has no specific or static form of structural position for the grammatical subject. Yeah, like for example, the sentence wag mo na kasi siyang tanungin. The sentence wag mo na kasi siyang tanungin may also be said like wag mo na siya kasing tanungin. The word siya may be spoken first, may be said first before the kasing. You see, you may say, wag mo na kasi siyang tanungin or wag mo na siya kasing tanungin. It has the same meaning and it sounds grammatical, but also it has it gives different approach, but the meaning still remains the same. And that sentence also exemplify the feature of the Tagalog language as a non-configurational language, meaning it has a unique structural position. And also, it means that Tagalog sentences do not adhere to a fixed word order. Like some Tagalog speakers say, wag na kasi magtanong ikaw. They will say the word ikaw instead of wag ka na kasing magtanong. Instead of saying wag ka na kasing magtanong, they may say wag na kasing magtanong ikaw. But it still has the same meaning. But usually, they use that sentence, wag na kasing magtanong ikaw, to children. So, maybe the structural position differs depending on what context that the speaker is in. Tagalog identifies the subject based on syntactic properties and discourse factors such as the topic, comment, structure. This flexible word order allows for variations in sentence structure and the placement of the subject, highlighting the importance of discourse and pragmatic considerations in determining subjecthood in Tagalog. And this important subject will be explained by my fellow reporter, Miss Hitgano.